Hello viewers and welcome to a new Tiger workshop video. Today I'll be trying to recycle an old LCD screen, but the LCD is broken. Here I'm just removing it from the computer where the screen is broken. So here are the two broken LCD screens, and you can see on the back the serial number and the type they are. Here I'm just removing the chip. We need to find 3 points and solder a wire onto them. I will leave the name into the description. Here I'm just prepping the wire. We need to solder a 12-volt converter onto 2 resistors. The resistors are 180 amps, but we just used 220 since we didn't have it, and it worked just fine. The 180 ohm should leave you with 6 volts at the very end. So here I'm just soldering everything together. Once I measured everything at the multimeter, everything figured out and worked well. Everything was right. So now we need to connect this ground wire to the negative. The negative has to be connected to where it's connected to the 12 volts. Do not connect it to the end of the resistor. Once you find that, you will find the LED, which is what you connect with the 12 volt positive. We just use a clip to hold it in place, and we use an iron. Be very, very careful because the pad will fall off really easily. Next, you connect something called the VLED with the 6 volt area. And once you finish connecting all of these points together, all you need to do is just use some electrical tape and put it to the back. You plug it in with the 12 volt converter and it should be able to work. With the cracked LCD, it looks really bad and there's black area in between here. Once you remove it, it's a cool blue light just here. It looks really cool. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and put in the comments what you want to be seen differently. Thank you.